dati akong gitarista sa ibang banda. I used to play worldly songs. Tapos yun, na-invite niya ako ng friend ko last year na sumali sa music ministry. And ayun, kasi ng experience, na-enhance yung talent ko, parang ako natutunan. And then yung, mas masaya pa na mag-play ng song kay God kaysa mag-play ng song sa world.
When I became part of music team, I realized the true meaning of using your talent to God, and na-realize ko that worship is not just about yung pag-play mo ng guitar, pag-play mo ng instruments, or standing in front of the crowd, but worship is also part of our lifestyle, and it means that it is also surrendering our whole being to God.
Magsano? Kasi, ano ba? Yes, ito may banner na tayo, di ba? Meron na rin tayo para may courage na rin. Doon sa song nyo naman, doon na yung pag-sign nila.
Now I'm a full-time teacher for kids ministry, and marami pong nabago sa akin. Improve yung patience ko, yung love ko for kids, and I believe God called me to minister to the kids because they are our leaders for future generations. And I have privilege po na maging part ng buhay nila, and it's a blessing. One day po sila naman po yung magtuturo at magiging leaders ng isang ministry. So kids, when you